Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video I'll be doing the impossible in trying to raise this tiny account. So the biggest question is, can I raise it? Of course I can raise it, but I'm going to need to be patient because it's a very tiny account. One wrong move, we're going to blow this account. So from 5 cents we are now on 18 cents, and then I'll just let it run so that it goes up there where the TP is. Then at least we will have $3 when it gets there. So what I'll do is that I'll just close here, and then after closing, when we are now on 18 cents, then I'll enter again with a higher account. So from 5 cents we are now on 18 cents, and then I've entered again so that if ever there is any pullbacks, then our account is not affected by the pullbacks, because our account is a bit higher than it was before. So for now we just wait. This thing is still going up. This thing is still going up. So this is where we are at now. It's still going to shoot up, or even to this level here. So this is still going up, and then at the moment all we do is just let the market play out and be patient. So this is where we are at now, running in 39 equity, 20 cents profit from 18 cents. We are now on 39 cents. So I'll just go ahead and close and enter again with a much grown account, so that if there's any pullbacks, then we are not affected. So this thing is still going to push up. This thing is still going to push up, at least to this level here, at least to that level at the top. So if ever there's any pullbacks, we won't be affected, because we've started from 5 cents. Now we are running 40 cents. So let's just go. Let's go, Baba. It's a buy, Baba. I saw my setup here. So guys, there we go. From 40 cents we're now running in 55 cents equity. So I'm just going to go ahead and close and then enter again with a much higher lot. And I see there's this gap here. The market still needs to come back to fill in this whole gap here that this week created. So yeah, let's just do this and enter again. So from 10 cents we're now in 56 cents. So just buy again, let the market go up, let the market do what it does. It still needs to push to this level here at the top. So I think the market will just keep pushing until it reaches that particular level at the top there. So for now we just wait. This is really pushing up. Remember from the beginning of the video we only had 5 cents, and we are now running in 77 cents. So I'm just going to go ahead and close and then enter again, because this thing is still pushing up. So let's just close, and then now we're on 78 cents. I'll just buy it again and let it do what it has to do, because we've got our target that it has to go up there. So that's where it still needs to go. So for now we just hold and let the market do what it does. the previous trades we managed to close at 93 cents, and then now I took 2 positions here on Volatility 151s. The reason being that we are in an overall downtrend, and I've noticed this where the market has still needs to push to the downside. So this is a clear and simple analysis. And yeah, for now we've had so many confirmations and the market creating those lower lows, and then yeah, for now we just need to move with the markets and further accumulate the profits and then grow this account. So yeah, at this moment this is where we are. Then we just let these trades run. This is where we are now. This thing is moving too slow. We've managed to make around 50 something cents, 46 cents, 45. Let's just close and then see how much we are left with. So we've now made $1.34. Our $1 is still there, $1.34. Remember guys, in the beginning of this video we only had a very tiny account, so this is just where we are now. I'm just going to put a buy there because I've noticed that the market came for a third touch and a retest. So this is where we are. Let me just throw it nicely there. So this is where we are. The market is likely to reverse at exactly that level there. So for now we just hold and wait. So as you can see here, the market came, touched here, gave us the bullish move, came back down here, went up, and then it played around a bit there before coming down. And yeah, I can say that this is the third touch here, and then the market will push to the upside. So for now we just hold, because we've traded this before in our one of the previous videos where I've shown you guys that we have this nice pattern here that indicates that the market still needs to push to the upside. So it's more like a reversal pattern. So we'll just see if the market is if the market respects this setup or if it doesn't. So for now this is where we are at. So we just leave things and let the market do what it does best.
A few moments later,
$1.34. We're now close to having $1 profit. So as soon as we get to $1 profit, I'm just going to go ahead and close. So $1 profit, I'm closing. So there we go guys, we are now on $2.40. Took another trade on Volatility 75 for 1S. As you can see, we're in a bit of a loss. Let's just do this. So on the daily time frame, I've noticed something like this, where the market still needs to push to the upside. And yeah, the market still needs to push to the upside, and there's multiple confirmations to that. And as you can see here, we've got a very strong level of support at that area. Wherever whenever that the market touched there, it pushed to the upside. So the market has failed to break that support for the longest time. So let's just dive deeper because we're on the daily time frame. So here I've spotted something nice, a form of a double bottom at this level there. So the market went down, came back, and then went. So it was here, went up for the retest, and then this is where we are. So anticipating for the market to further push to the upside, and it's much visible on the 1 hour where you can see clearly what had occurred there. The market gave us a beautiful double bottom there. So we'll just use that to our advantage. As you can see, the market still needs to push to the upside.
2,000 years later.
The trade has finally played out. We are now running in $3 profit, and yeah, volatility 75 has really pushed. So I'm really happy. Remember, in the beginning of this video, we only had 5 cents in this account, and then now we're cruising nicely. We're in $4 profit. So I must say that we've really pushed, and yeah, I think it's just time for us to just close now and look for another trade so we can further grow this account. So I'm really happy. Then we'll just close and then look for another setup to trade. So there we go. I've closed at $6.43. So with our account now at $6.43, we can even go higher. I've spotted something nice here on Volatility 25 index. So on Volatility 25 index, I've spotted something beautiful here. So the overall trend is still looking bullish. So I'll just mark my area here and mark it at that level. Then I'll just copy this and I'll put it to the upside. So as you can see here, we've had our touch there. The market gave us the bullish move, and our touch there, the market continued to the upside. Here we nearly had a fake out, but the market corrected that, pushed inside the trend line, further continuing to the upside. So here we've got something similar that's forming here. The market has to push to the upside, and this is a very strong level of support at this very same level there. So the market just has to respect and push to the upside. So Volatility 25 1S, so I'll just go into the instrument details and then see the minimum lot, which is 0.5. So let's just go ahead and we'll just put one position. Let's just calculate our risk there. So should the market come to this level down here, we would still be safe, and if it ever pushes to the upside, then we'll also be able to secure some profits. And another confirmation, see these rejections here. The price wanted to go down, but it fell. It always rejects when it gets to that specific level there. So let's move to the 15 minutes chart. As you can see here, we've had multiple rejections. So that for me is a confirmation that the market has to push to the upside. So it's like a similar trade to the previous trade that we took on Volatility 71, Volatility 75 1S. So this is a similar trade. So I'll just put one position so that if ever we have any pullbacks, we don't blow this account. So yeah, this is how my analysis is looking. It's a buy, Baba. It's a buy.
6.5 hours later.
This thing really pushed to the highest. I'm just going to close and enter again. We're now on $10.22. So I'm just going to close it and then enter again. There we go. I've just entered one position, and our TP should be somewhere there. And we just let the market do what it has to do. So this is how the market is playing out. So this is the profits that we've accumulated. Yeah, the market respected our analysis and is shooting towards our TP just there. So yeah, I'm very happy. I'll just go ahead and just close, and then yeah, it is possible to raise a 0.05 cent account. So you just need to know which instrument to trade, and then once your balance or account balance gets to a certain level, which one do you now move to? And then yeah, that's all that you need to know. And yeah, we are now on $12.24.